Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will tell you how to create sidebar in the archive pages, blog page, and single post page. WoodMart suggests the set of the widget areas covering the majority of a site needs providing in appearance art widgets. Go to Theme Settings, Products Archive. Click on Sidebar. It is necessary to set sidebar right or left in the shop page. Then go to Appearance, Widgets.
This widget area is for the shop product categories pages. WooCommerce filters and product categories should be added here. You can add the filters widgets as per your requirements in the shop page widgets area. And also you can add the filters at the above of the shop page. Go to Appearance menu, expand the shop page filters area and add the filters as per requirements. For this, go to Theme Settings, Product Archive, click on the Shop Filters and enable the option Shop Filter. The blog widget area is applied to the blog page and single posts as well as on any WordPress pages by default. In order to show the sidebar, it should be configured in the theme settings, general layout, right left should be set, and sidebar would appear on the appropriate side.